Hey everyone, I'm excited to present my latest automation for the No Code Architect School community. Week 23, the holiday event RSVP system, designed specifically to streamline the invitation process for any holiday event. In this Make.com scenario, we'll leverage webhooks to trigger email invitations easily and efficiently. By utilizing the email module, we can automatically send beautiful crafted invitations to our guests, ensuring no one misses out on the festive fun. Let's dive into how this automation works step by step. Hi, Jason here, and this is my submission for week 23, the holiday event RSVP system. So I've got an Airtable. We're capturing the first name, last name, the RSVP, whether it's yes, maybe, or no. Capturing the email, the +1, and any dietary considerations, and also just a record ID, which we'll use later. I've also gone with an automation trigger in Airtable. We're sending to a make webhook, and we're sending the record ID, first name, and email. I've also created a Airtable form just for entering the names into the table of the guests that are coming. So we'll submit here. We've got Elon Musk coming, hopefully. We then go to the make scenario. There we go, it's run. Took a little while to pick up. It's just a webhook and then a simple email where we're sending the HTML. So we'll see that now. Well, I've got the email here. It's nice and bright and colourful. So if I click on RSVP now, we'll be taken to a tally.so form which I've created. We've got a couple hidden fields here which allows for the population of the name and the email. Let's go yes, we're sending. Donald can be his partner, and no considerations. Oh no, let's go apples. We'll go submit. We'll then go to the next scenario, which is looking at that tally form. It's already run, as we can see. If we go back to the email, we've got a thank you email with all the event details. And if we go back to the Airtable, you'll see that we've got Elon Musk. He's RSVP'd yes, and he's come with Donald. Thank you for watching, and have a great day. That's a wrap on the week 23 automation. This setup not only simplifies the process of inviting friends and family, but also ensures a personalized touch with custom messages and RSVP links. If you're looking to replicate this workflow or have questions on setting it up, I've included a link to the Make.com blueprints in the description below. Please hit that like button and subscribe for more automation insights. Don't forget to explore other scenarios you can create with Make.com to enhance your event planning. Thank you for watching, and keep innovating.